a buddy of mine, Chad, came back onto social media after quite a while being absent from social. And he knows that it's important to be active on social because when you are a business owner, when you are an influencer, you always have to continue to be that squeaky wheel. You have to continue to put out that content. And when you stop doing it, people can't find you. And sometimes people don't trust you because one of the ways that we vet somebody is by going through social media and making sure that they are who they say they are, making sure that they're posting actively, that they're posting about the things that they say that they know, making sure that that they don't drink or take too much drugs or whatever it is that you want. A lot of us vet people on social, and he knew that it's important for him to be active there and focusing there. And he disappeared. He disappeared for a while. I would venture to say he disappeared for almost 6 months. And when he came back, he said, hey, I don't feel like I was in line with my own integrity. Now I'm paraphrasing how he worded it, but he said, hey, I don't feel like, you probably didn't see me on social for a long time. And it's because I didn't feel like I was myself. I didn't feel like I was being truly the authentic me. And he went on and I watched his whole video and he stated a lot more, which is exactly what we're covering in this episode. And then again today, which I think was the third time, I just don't remember what the second time was. A friend of mine who runs a big company that helps coaches and people that do coaching for a job, he helps them to get their first, $20,000 per month. And he's been doing a good job with people. He's been supporting a lot of great new coaches at getting to their first, $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 or $40,000 a month. And I follow him, and we've been friends for a while. I've helped him in his company before. My podcast agency, the Grow Your Show, has helped him in his podcast before. And he put something up in his coaches group where there's a whole bunch of people that are coaches, and he posts something that basically says, teach what you know, teach what you've experienced, not just things that you've heard. Basically he's saying, don't regurgitate old information. He's saying, teach from your own experience. And he basically made it sound like a lot of people are there only regurgitating what they've heard, what they've learned the theory to versus what they've done, what they've experienced, what they've accomplished on their own. And, going back to my buddy who did the video, now he's posting, once I saw that video, he posted 3 more videos in 3 more days. And he probably still is posting every day. But he made a shift. He made a change from regurgitating information that he learned along the way, but had no experience on his own. He didn't get to experience it. And both of these people, and I think there was a third person, I just can't remember who, there's this common theme right now that too many people are only teaching the things that we hear.